Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to today's special topic where I'll be showing you guys how to install Office 365 for those users with the Office 365 Business or Business Premium licenses. So unlike the Office 365 Business Essentials license that just offers you the Office web applications, the Business and Business Premium licenses provide you with the Office desktop applications. And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys how to install. So once you've gone ahead and purchased your license, you're going to open any browser of your choosing and go to the web URL portal.office.com. Now here you're going to go ahead and sign into that Office 365 user account that is tied to your business or business premium license. Now, of course, since we have multi-factor authentication enabled, I'm going to go ahead and approve my sign-in on my Microsoft Authenticator app. If you guys would like to know how to also set that up for your Office 365 user account, please go ahead and check out one of our previous videos for that tutorial. Now, from here, you have the choice to either stay signed in or to just sign in once. Now, I would recommend that especially if you have the multi-factor authentication set up for your Office 365 user account, that you select yes. Now, once you've signed into the portal.office.com, you're going to migrate over to the Install Office button, and from the drop-down menu, you're going to select Office 365 Apps. From here, the download for the Office 365 installer will begin. Once it's completed, go ahead and run the installer. Once the installer has completed, you'll have all of your Office 365 applications. You can go ahead and they'll already be tied to your Office 365 user account, and continue your use and set up your Office as you please. Alright guys, if you have any questions about installing your Office 365 desktop applications, or if you have any questions about setting up your Microsoft Authenticator app with your Office 365 user account, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified whenever we go live each and every single weekday from 12 p.m. Eastern Time until 4 p.m. Alright guys, have a great rest of your day.